Alright, football fan, the day has finally come. Chelsea versus PSG in the Club World Cup final. Today is the day in which the whole world, so many people, animals, fowls, fishes in the rivers will witness Chelsea play football. Congratulations to Chelsea and congratulations to Chelsea fan. Chelsea fan, how are you people feeling today? Please, just because Chelsea is playing football today, I feel we all should be happy for so many reasons, because the world is going to witness why football is defined with Chelsea. Up Chelsea for life. Chelsea fan, let me see what you think about this match in the comment section. Today is going to be a joyful day to all of us, and it's going to be a sad day to the rival fans, including fans from Madrid, Barca, Inter, Bayern. Up Chelsea for life.